This video is the second video explaining the concept of path environmental variable. Here we're gonna create 4 applications and try to see if we can execute those from command line. So create this folder structure. Off of your C drive you create folder 1, and within folder 1 you create folder 2, 3, 4, and 6. Folders 5 is under folder 4 and folder 7 is under 6. Folder 8 is under folder 7. So you can follow the commands that I'm typing in order to create this folder structure. Now you can also look at the path environmental variable where it says path equals to C:\\semicolon and then another path semicolon and another path semicolon. That's what we need in order to find the executables. So under folder 7 we create folder 8. Now we need an executable to put in here. So just like in the first video I showed, we're going to be using just a simple MD5 sum executable. So we can copy that into the corresponding directories. So the root of C drive, and here we're going to rename this to app1.exe. Now under folder 1 we will need app4.exe. So we paste that under folder 1 and we rename it to app4. So now we need to go to folder 5, which is under folder 4, and we're gonna rename that as well to app2.exe. And finally we need under folder 8 we need app3.exe. So we have everything in place now. So if you look at the tree structure, you can see that we have the exact same file system structure than our plan is. So now we need to find and see if you can execute these applications. So I just go to a temporary directory and try to run application 1, application 2, 3, and 4, and you can see none of those applications actually execute. The operating system has no way of locating those executables in directories. But if we set the path environmental variable to look for executables in the root of the C drive, also under folder 1 slash folder 2, folder 4 slash folder 5, which is gonna give us app2 semicolon, and then folder 1 slash folder 6 slash folder 7 slash folder 8, which should find app3. So we specified 3 separate paths in order for the operating system to locate executables. So if we're gonna display the value of the path environmental variable, now you can see that it has 3 paths separated by semicolon. Now, even though I'm in the temporary directory, I can execute app1, app2, and app3 just fine, but not app4. Well, why not app4? Well, app4 is in folder 1. Folder 1 is not in the environmental variable, the path environmental variable. So in order for me to launch app4, I have to be in folder 1. And if I'm in folder 1 folder, I have no problem executing app4. Hopefully this example helped you understand how the path environmental variable works. See you next time.